Hello students and welcome to Top Scholars. Students, today we'll be talking about another very interesting topic, that is reactions of enzymes found in different parts during digestion. Students, our saliva, which is present in our mouth, contains the enzyme salivary amylase. Yes students, this particular enzyme, the substrate is starch. Students, what do I mean by substrate? It is basically the substance on which the enzyme is going to act and break it down. So for amylase, the substrate is starch. And students, finally, the products of breaking down starch are maltose and oligosaccharides. Next students, we have the gastric enzyme. The example is pepsin. Students, for pepsin, the substrate are proteins, and the proteins are broken down by pepsin into peptides. Moving on students, now let us take a look at the various pancreatic enzymes, their substrates and their products. Now the source of these pancreatic enzymes are the acinar cells of the pancreas. Let us have the first example. The very first one we have is pancreatic amylase. The substrate is starch, and the products of breaking down starch by pancreatic amylase are maltose and oligosaccharides. The second enzyme is trypsin. The substrate is proteins and the products are peptides. The third enzyme is chymotrypsin. Again, the substrate are proteins and again the products are peptides. Next students, we have the enzyme known as carboxypeptidase. It acts upon the substrate, that is proteins, and the products of the enzyme activity are peptides and amino acids. Next, we have pancreatic lipase. Students, the other name for fats is lipids. So therefore, a lipase enzyme is going to break down fats. Thus, the substrate are fats and the products are fatty acids and monoglycerides. Finally, students, the last enzyme are nucleases. The substrates are RNA, that is ribonucleic acid, and DNA, which stands for deoxyribonucleic acid, and they are broken down into products called as nucleotides. So students, these were the various pancreatic enzymes, their substrates and their products. These enzymes are secreted by the acinar cells of the pancreas.
To learn more about this topic, download Top Scholars app.